The benefit from this trip to Portland with the Chamber was pretty broad for me. In an education piece, just a better understanding of the business climate from a full metropolitan perspective. Even though our office is on the far west side, we understand our role and our ability to sustain and grow business in a whole scene. The other benefits, relationships, leadership skills, styles, truly getting to sit next to people that have grown businesses or have become very dynamic leaders, and let them say, hey, yeah, don't make this mistake, or hey, this really worked for me. As entrepreneurs, sometimes we make bold statements and big promises, and when I decided and made the statement that we could turn $3,500 investment into $3.5 million, I may have been a little bit skeptical, but I'm not now. I really believe that with relationships we made, the dynamic business leaders we met on that trip, and the opportunities that are going to present themselves to us, that while we may not hit 3.5 million this year, it's a good possibility, and we're pushing for that goal. Content on the trip was great. There was a wide scope. For me, the main focus is a lot of mass transit, understanding how mass transit affects the whole economic growth of the city, not just those that use it. The Nike visit was a highlight for me. Not only from a leadership perspective and learning how they develop their own leadership in-house and raise up people, but just remember that Phil Knight poured rubber into his mom's waffle iron and grew a business that's changed the landscape of America, athletically, socially, economically, all because he thought, man, I wonder if we can do this differently or do it better. And the same thing with the wineries we visited. The folks that went out there at a couple of those wineries, no one had planted grapes on the hills of Oregon before, out in that region, and they said, the math works out where this region should be able to grow grapes and make great wine, and sure enough, it does. It's really good, and they just, like all business leaders and even business entrepreneurs like myself, had a dream, took some chances, chased it, and through some luck and through some blessing and through some hard work, really achieved some great goals.